So whoa for your lead. Rock her back. Whoa. Good. Canter. Sit. Little leg, nice and straight. Good girl. Whoa, lead. Whoa, little outside rein. Good, good. She's got it. Very nice. Eye up to your line. Keep her straight. Good girl. Lead again. Whoa. That's it. Remember to go with her. Go with her. Go with her. Good girl. Lead. Lead. Get on the lead. Whoa. Whoa. Good. Good. She's got it. Keep going. Keep going. All right. And whoa, trot.